Hello, my name is Sohyang. I'm a student in grade 7. In my family, there are 10 people. When I grow up, I want to become an English teacher. I like banana. I don't like dogs. My favorite color is black. Now we're together. Tuesday. The 11th of March. 2025. My home. ផ្ទះរបស់ខ្ញុំ Let's learn more តោះពួកយើងរៀនបន្ត We practice the sentences ចូលអនុវត្តពាក្យ Example ឧទាហរណ៍ The shooter is in the garage. The scooter is in the garage. Scooter នៅក្នុងបន្ទប់ចតរថយន្ត Scooter នៅក្នុងបន្ទប់ចតរថយន្ត The scooter are in the garage. The scooters are in the garage. Scooter ជាច្រើននៅក្នុងបន្ទប់ចតរថយន្ត Scooter ជាច្រើននៅក្នុងបន្ទប់ចតរថយន្ត The sled is in the entryway. The sled is in the entryway. Sled នៅក្នុងច្រកចូល This sled the sled are in the entryway. The sled are in the entryway. Sled ជាច្រើននៅក្នុងច្រកចូល Sled ជាច្រើននៅក្នុងច្រកចូល The I skate are under the desk. Those I skate are under the desk. I skate ជាច្រើននៅក្រោមតុ I skate ជាច្រើននៅក្រោមតុ The inline skate are in the kitchen. The inline skate are in the kitchen. Inline skate ជាច្រើននៅក្នុងផ្ទះបាយ Inline skate ជាច្រើននៅក្នុងផ្ទះបាយ The snowboard is in the living room. The snowboard is in the living room. Snowboard ជាច្រើន snowboard នៅក្នុងបន្ទប់ទទួលភ្ញៀវ Snowboard